Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best griddle tools in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Blackstone Flat Top Griddle Professional Grade Tool Kit. An excellent starter pack, the Blackstone Griddle Accessory Tool Kit features all you need to get started, including a bonus griddle cookbook featuring 2 heavy-duty, stainless steel spatulas. You'll be set to flip, serve, and sear, deliberately oversized for extra ease of use. Whether you're cooking veggies, burgers, or pancakes, these spatulas are a griddle essential. A stainless steel scraper for slicing your food, as well as cleaning up your griddle after use, is also included, plus 2 leak-free fine tip bottles for your water and oil. All items are of professional quality and have been specially designed for griddling needs. All tools in this set are dishwasher safe, making for an easy cleanup. This set is also great value for money, providing you with the basic griddling essentials that you'll need for a good base that you can add to over time as your experience grows and your needs develop. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weber 6610 Original Tongs. Add the proper utensils to your new grill with Weber utensils. A good barbecue tong is necessary for grilling. Unique front-end design provides secure grip on a variety of food. Soft touch handles offer comfortable, non-slip grip. Handle locks for compact storage. A good pair of tongs are essential for griddling. Use them for turning over and moving a wide variety of food, as well as for picking up hot tools, domes, or other accessories. You'll need a good pair that have good grip, balance, and a spring locking action. Our favorite griddle tongs are the Weber 6610 Original Tongs. Thanks to their unique front-end design, you get a good secure grip on almost all food types. The soft touch, non-slip grip on these high-quality stainless steel griddle tongs make them easy to use, while the 17 length keeps your hand away from the heat. The handles lock easily for compact storage, while the large oblong ring on the end makes these tongs easy to hang just about anywhere. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. These tongs are an excellent choice for cooking on your griddle with a good grip, nice balance, and a sound construction. Number 3. Our third best pick is Mercer Culinary Hell's Handle Turner. Raise your game with the best spatula for your griddle. The Hell's Handle Turner by Mercer Culinary. Precision ground from the highest quality stainless steel. This spatula has just the right balance of flex and stiffness to make flipping nice and easy, while the thin edge allows you to get under your food with ease. Rust, corrosion, and discoloration resistant. This NSF certified spatula has an impressive limited lifetime warranty, testament to its high durability. Thanks to its high heat resistant handle, you can use it for long periods over your griddle without burning your hands. It can safely withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The handle also features a dual-textured, anti-slip finish, complete with sanitary sealing to ensure no foodstuffs become trapped inside. Whatever you need to flip on your griddle, from pressing and flipping smash burgers, to delicate items like fish or eggs, this is the ultimate griddle spatula that will make using your griddle even more enjoyable. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Blackstone Heavy Duty Plastic Handle Griddle Accessories. Outdoor cooking is a global passion. We just make it complete with our griddles and accessories. Back in the day, we dreamed of creating the best outdoor cooking experiences for large groups or families. For decades we relied on grills and other appliances to promote this joyful moment. But let's be honest, every time something seemed to be missing. When we are barbecuing outside, the rest of the family is still locked in the kitchen preparing other dishes. It's not the ideal experience. We wanted more. We wanted to cook everything outside. Our products are designed and engineered in the USA with the latest technology and innovation. but we are more than just another outdoor cooking appliance company. Our main focus is on our consumers and designing quality products that yield the best results. Features: add a touch of luxury to your backyard BBQ with Blackstone's premium plastic handle. Stainless steel griddle spatula. Sleek grill spatula slides easily under food with minimal effort thanks to a beveled effect around the edges, and the extra wide head is perfect for flipping burgers. Perfect for getting under stubborn leftover food debris on your griddle. Strong stainless steel spatula keep its shape even after daily use and is perfect for use on hot surfaces. Plastic spatula handle is heat resistant, keeping your hand safe and comfortable while you cook. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Rozzle stainless steel round handle crepe spreader. If you want to make a nice, thin and authentic French crepe, it's important to have this tool nearby. It makes it so easy to spread the dough and ensure an even crepe. So, it's a perfectly beautiful kitchen piece, like everything Rozzle. If you must have it to fit into your other Rozzle equipment, get it. What distinguishes Rozzle products from others is the careful attention we give to every detail. Every one of these flawless utensils has been streamlined to suit a special task and carries out its function superbly. A combination of maximum performance with timeless design. Rozzle utensils are carefully manufactured and leave the premises only after passing a strict quality control. They are made with the best materials, primarily stainless steel because it is hygienic, neutral to taste and smell, and is of almost limitless durability. Rozzle has won several design awards and is without doubt one of the best kitchen utensils in the world. Rozzle kitchen utensils are highly functional and have been designed for superior performance. Rozzle tools carry out many demanding tasks fulfilling the highest expectations and are covered by a 5 years warranty. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.